Did you know your body can't produce or store vitamin C? That means you need it every single day to stay strong and healthy. Vitamin C is more than just an immune booster. It helps your body fight infections, build healthy skin and collagen, strengthen blood vessels, combat stress and fatigue. But not all vitamin C supplements are the same. Some lose potency before your body can even use them. That's why Neolife Vitamin C is different. It's made with a sustained release formula, giving you 6 hours of continuous protection, just like eating fruit throughout the day. Each tablet delivers the power of fresh citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, providing your body with natural antioxidants for real results. It's gentle on the stomach, 100% natural, and backed by Neolife's scientific research for maximum absorption and effectiveness. When you choose Neolife Vitamin C, you choose stronger immunity, healthier skin, more daily energy. Don't just take vitamin C. Experience vitamin C that works at the cellular level. Try Neolife Vitamin C today. Stay protected, stay radiant, and live your best life. For more info, call this number +3470491007236.